At exactly 2:14 a.m. UTC, every radio telescope on Earth received the same signal at the same moment from deep space. The source appeared to be the moon, yet no known transmitter could have produced such a signal. Even more disturbing, its pattern showed signs of deliberate design. The transmission was perfectly synchronized across the entire planet. Every observatory detected the exact same pattern at precisely the same instant. It repeated every 17 minutes, each time with the same precise structure, as if locked to an unknown cosmic clock that never drifted or changed. At first, researchers believed it was interference, a simple equipment glitch or atmospheric distortion affecting the instruments. Researchers initially classified the signal as interference. They were mistaken, and the evidence against that explanation grew stronger with every passing hour. Within hours, governments assembled specialized decoding teams, bringing together leading cryptographers, linguists, and signal analysts. The signal wasn't random. Beneath its repeating pattern, researchers discovered a structure that appeared intentional and carefully designed. It contained language, a complex system of symbols and patterns that appeared to carry meaning rather than noise. 3 days later, the first translation emerged, revealing a message unlike anything humanity had ever encountered before. Do not let them wake us. The message was brief, unmistakable, and far more terrifying than anyone expected. No explanation accompanied the warning. The message offered no context, no source, and no clue about who or what it was referring to. Then they found something, buried deep within, that no one had noticed before, and it changed everything. Artificial structures, vast, impossible formations that showed every sign of deliberate design rather than any natural process. Thousands of kilometers wide, the scale was so immense that it challenged everything humanity thought possible to build. Archived Apollo footage was re-examined. What had once seemed insignificant suddenly demanded a much closer look. Archived Apollo footage was re-examined. What had once seemed insignificant suddenly demanded a much closer look. Despite the warning, drilling operations began. The pressure to uncover the truth outweighed every argument for caution. The probe entered a cavern beneath the moon. Its sensors revealed a vast underground space unlike anything previously discovered. It wasn't abandoned. The environment showed unmistakable signs that something had been there recently, or perhaps still was. Something had been waiting, not dormant, not lost, just patient, as if aware of every step humanity had taken toward it. And it was waking up. Deep within the darkness, systems long silent began to stir, responding to the intrusion. At that exact moment, the transmission stopped. Every receiver fell silent at once, as if the signal had been deliberately cut off. A final message was received.
It's happening everywhere, dear. Look, it's all going away.
Wait, there's a message.
What does it say?